Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to configure NTP in router. Here my network is ready with physical and logical connectivity. Before configuring NTP, first check the connectivity between router and NTP server by running ping command. Ping space my server IP address. Ping reply is coming. Now let's check router date and time by using the command show clock. So this is the router hardware timing it is showing. Let's check show clock detail. Now I want to enable NTP so that my router works with local server timing. Go to server PC. Click on services. Now then select NTP. Now select date and time. NTP is enabled. Now check date and time. Now close this. Go to router and go to router configuration mode. Now run the command NTP server 192.168.1.2, which is my server IP address. Enter. Now go to privilege mode. To update clock, it will take time. Wait few seconds. Now see, this is old time. Let's check again with show command. I'm just updating. Show clock. Now check the time. It is working with your NTP server timing. I'm checking with show clock details. So time is of NTP. So this is about NTP server. Thank you for the session.